In today's tutorial, I'll explain how you can engage with and receive support through oneof10.com. If you can't find the link, you can see it in the video's description to use it to sign up or sign in to your oneof10.com account. Explore its features and functionalities. Next, reach out to the creator or support team for assistance with keyword research, content strategy, or any other questions or concerns you may have. Additionally, join the community forums or social media groups associated with the tool to connect with other content creators and share insights and experiences. Engaging with oneof10.com and its community will help you receive valuable support and guidance to help you succeed in building an amazing channel and create very exceptional content on this journey. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.